In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the WooCommerce email customizer to send beautiful emails and build your brand. We'll move through this together, step by step. First, open your WordPress website dashboard. Make sure you're signed in with admin access. In the left sidebar, go to Plugins. The Plugins page is where you add features to your site. Use the search bar to look up Shop Lentil, which includes a WooCommerce email customizer. When you see it, click Install, then Activate. After activation, open the new Shop Lentil menu on the left and click Settings so we can turn on the tools we need. Inside Settings, open the Modules tab. The Modules tab lists optional features you can toggle on and off. Find Email Customizer, switch it on, and click Save Settings. This turns on the tools that style your store's outgoing emails, so saving here is important to lock in the change. Next, click Create your own customized email. This takes you to the area where you'll build your email layouts. Click Add New Template. Give your template a clear, descriptive name so you can recognize it later. Naming templates well helps you manage multiple email types as your store grows. Choose which WooCommerce email this template targets, such as order updates or customer notices. Enter the necessary details the screen asks for, keeping your brand voice in mind so your messaging feels consistent. From here, select a starting template. Pick the layout that's closest to what you want, because it saves time and gives you a strong base. Feel free to edit the template to match your brand. Add your logo to the header and adjust colors to your brand palette. Update the header and footer with your tagline, key links, and any legal text. Keep spacing comfortable and use clear section titles to guide readers from order summary to support information. If the template includes images or product grids, ensure they look clean and balanced. As you customize, stay consistent across all emails. Align buttons with your brand color and use short, action-focused labels. Replace placeholders with direct copy that explains what customers can expect next. If your design allows, include social icons and a brief support note so customers know where to get help. Check the template on desktop and mobile and keep image sizes light for fast loading and a smooth experience. That's it. You've enabled the email customizer, created a new template, and tailored the design to represent your store. With a polished, on-brand email, every order update becomes a subtle reminder of your professionalism.